Nutrition tips for starting 2023 off right. When it comes to healthy eating, there is plenty of advice out there. We all know what we should eat like fish, fruit, and vegetables, and we know what not to eat such as processed and junk foods like pizza and French fries. However, we often find it extremely challenging to make these changes stick. It also doesn't help that fast food restaurants are everywhere and other less than healthy alternatives are easily accessible at our fingertips thanks to food delivery apps. This 2023, if you're looking to improve your eating habits, manage your weight, or feel better overall, it's time to take your nutrition goals more seriously. Read on to learn 5 tips to help you get into your resolution of eating well this new year. Balanced meals for healthy life. The key word to any diet is balance. A balanced meal plan ensures that your body is getting the right amount of nutrients, minerals, and vitamins from diverse food sources for it to function properly. It is vital for leading a healthy, productive life. For a balanced and healthy diet, the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health has made this recommendation. 1/2 of your plate, fruits and vegetables. 1/4 of your plate, whole grains such as brown rice, barley, quinoa, oats, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta. 1/4 of your plate, protein-rich foods such as fish, chicken, eggs, beans, and nuts. Award-winning registered dietitian Lauren Maneker notes that protein-rich diets, in particular, can particularly support muscle growth for a stronger immune system and bones, among other benefits. Benefits of healthy food. Your nutrition goals will help you make more balanced food choices, guiding you toward adopting healthy eating habits. Better food choices bring about these results. 1. Reduced risk of chronic illnesses such as diabetes, some types of cancers, heart diseases. Go for low-fat dairy and nutrient-filled whole-grain foods such as quinoa, barley, and whole wheat bread, in addition to foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, mackerel, and trout. 2. Strong immune system and bones. Add red bell peppers, spinach, ginger, and green leafy vegetables such as broccoli to your meals to boost your immune system and help protect your bones. 3. Healthy skin, teeth, and eyes. Consider eating fish, eggs, kiwi fruit, avocados, walnuts, asparagus, and many more. These are good for your skin, teeth, and eyes. 4. Healthy digestion. Apple, yogurt, chia seeds, and papaya are foods that work to help improve the function of your digestive system. 5. Better weight management. With low consumption of foods high in sugar and fat, you can control your weight and keep the stubborn excess body fats at bay. Cultivate healthy eating habits. Registered dietitian Lizzie Strite wrote that goal setting is important because it gives you a sense of ownership over your plan so that you can work towards a visible goal. In your nutrition goal setting, it helps to keep the following tips in mind. Make your goals SMART. In everything, including your food intake, SMART goals set clear parameters so you can achieve them within a specified time frame. SMART stands for Specific. Specific implies clearly defining your goals. According to Strite, being specific addresses the what, why, and how. The simpler and more sensible your nutrition goals are, the better and more achievable. Measurable. Your nutritional goals should have measurable results to be effective. Achievable. For Strite, this means that the goals are under the control of the person setting the goal instead of someone else. Relevant. Your list should be realistic and consider your current circumstances, wrote Strite. Time-bound. A time-sensitive goal sets the direction for your approach. If, for example, you aim to increase your veggie intake this new year, a SMART goal could look like this: I will fill half my plate with my favorite green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, and cabbage during lunch 5 times this week. It's clear, easily achievable, and time-specific. Keep a journal. Journaling will track your progress and keep you focused on your goals. Tracking your healthy eating goal may enable you to identify old habits, therefore helping you adjust your diet accordingly. Keeping a food diary is also great to help you identify which areas to work on so you remain aligned with your nutrition goals. Diversify your foods. It's no fun to eat the same food over and over again. Eating a variety of meals that you love without straying away from your goals makes them easier to follow. The trick is striking a balance and practicing portion control. Plan your meals. Diversifying your food means planning your meals. By doing so, there's no excuse for you not to eat well even if you're busy at work or have other commitments. Meal planning steers you away from unhealthy options. Registered dietitian Sylvia very notes that preparing your meals in advance makes nutritious meals accessible and, thus, you are sure to eat better more often. Don't be too hard on yourself. Like it or not, you will eventually miss your goals. When this happens, don't get discouraged. This happens, and it's perfectly normal to restart. Also, permit yourself to have a cheat day. The road to a healthy you can be fun and does not have to be rigid. Conclusion. Eating healthy is a good way to kickstart the year. When complemented with regular exercise, it's the best thing you can do for your health this year.